Now let's listen to Charlamagne as he defends his boss and with 50 Cent.
When you continuously call Puff gay, does that affect your relationships in Hollywood?
I don't call him gay. I said, let me read it, Fifth. Oh my God.
Sorry, I can no longer help you guys. Soon you will all be gay and happy. You are all now left under leadership of Puffy Daddy. Report to the nearest rainbow. Dinner thieves in theaters January 19th.
You know what he's saying is like fruity. You know what I'm saying? Like, he said something fabulous and he goes, but me and you, we ain't party. Like, we need to party. What is he talking about? That's the kind of stuff. When people say that to me, I get a little uncomfortable. I get uncomfortable. Like, he said something to me one time, a long time ago, at Chris Lighty's wedding. He told me to take me shopping. I looked at him like, what you just say? Let me move, man, before I do something. You're going to make me mess up the wedding.
Oh, that's a nice gesture.
Let me get out of here. No, take me. That's what a guy says to a girl.
And that's the truth, you know. That's some guys say to women, but Puffy is in a whole different lane. He's what they call metrosexual. Now, I don't even care what Puffy's doing, to be honest. That's his business. But anytime Puffy do anything, if he get up and grab a cup of coffee, somebody gonna call him gay. That's just the gist of it. I don't control that. But you see the way Charlamagne decided to come up there and defend his employer. He, instead of promoting the movie, he wants to promote crafts. So in that instance, he went from being a fan to a fanboy. Just that quick. But do go see Den of Thieves. It looks like it's going to be a pretty good movie. It's your boy Carcino. I'm out.